How aware are you? This is a good question to think about because a lot of people just go through life going through life. They don't notice things. They don't notice who's around them, what's going on with those people. And if you run a business, awareness is even more important. How do your customers feel? Are you aware of their feelings, or do you just kind of go, all right, if they don't like it, that's too bad. They want you to be aware because they want you to care. Think of that. Those two words, they rhyme, don't they? Aware and care. Another thing to be aware of, your employees. What's their motivation level? How do they feel? Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they just showing up at work? Or are they excited to help people? Go home and look around. How aware are you of how your family feels? Are they being happy with each other? What's going on there? So my challenge to you is look around and make sure that you are aware. And that's your quick win for the day.